I give you back in return out of gratitude, not out of obligation, but out of gratitude. No? MQ, pairam naman ng jacket. Attentive ako sa aking audience. Okay.
Anong K-pop girl group ang nagpasikat ng kantang Kill This Love? Stacy!
Let's kill this love.
My family and friends are also here. Hi to Blackpink Lisa, Rose, Jenny, and Jisoo. Hello! Ako din.
Kayo yung lagi nakakaintindi sa amin, Blooms, and grabe, naalala ko dati parang, grabe yung, grabe kasi yung, yung journey din namin being kasi, yung pinaghirapan namin talaga mula